Here's the following problem using an Android phone. Here's the gallery, that's the program of the phone itself, it came with it. Okay, and if I go to that one and search for a certain image, let's say that one, then look how ugly those numbers are. You can't even read those numbers. I had to install another program, use the Play Store and search for another program. It's Image Viewer, it looks like that. And if I start Image Viewer, close, it's also showing the same content as the gallery. And if I tap on that picture, look at the clarity of that one. So you can read these numbers, it's the same image. So it's a huge difference. The gallery, the default program of the phone, it's not displaying the image as clearly as this one. You can read those numbers. Let's go back to the gallery. Gallery, the same image, and you cannot read almost anything from there. 300, 250, 100 something, 866, I'm not sure. So just in case you cannot read the content of an image, download Image Viewer and try that one, it should be better.